Check mic. 1, 2. Ayan, good evening ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind kung saan araw-araw tayong mag-uusap about stock market, about your trading. As long as there's market day, meron po kayong mapagkukonsultan, mapagsumbungan. If you don't know what you're doing, you can ask us in the program. As long as may market, meron po tayong daily grinds. If you're a newbie, nangangapa pa lang kayo sa trading and you wanna learn more about how to invest in the stock market, you're watching the right program. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Magandang gabi po. And speaking of magandang gabi, alright, PSEi. Alright, I'm sharing my screen right now. PSEi po. Wala nga. Bakit? Ba't ganito? There's something in the background which I don't know what. Taka lang ha. Okay. Dapat ito. Alright, so PSEi. After a massive rally yesterday, pulahan po tayo ngayon. Negative 0.73%. We're down 49.82. But, good news is another net foreign buying day. 1.9 billion to be exact. Right, 1.89 billion. Pero, I don't know, nakikita nyo ba sa screen? Mukhang hindi nyo nakikita. Lang. Yan po. Nakikita nyo po sa screen, 1.89 billion po. The green one right there, NFB/S. That's net foreign buying/selling. We are positive. We're green. 1.89 billion. Yung exact number. So, congratulations pa rin pa sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kahit na negative tayo overall, that's to be expected since lakas ng rally, pullbacks might happen anytime soon, but definitely net foreign buying is there. This is what I usually watch in the stock market. Kasi pag andyan, meaning the interest in buying in our market is still there. So wala pong problema. Right, maganda po ang market pag ganyan. Let me just try to make everything fit as much as possible. Anyways. And pula tayo ngayon, what do we expect from the markets in the near future? I can't really say, right? Pwede po ito mag-pullback pa since sobrang lakas. In just how many days, tignan nyo gaano kalakas ang nakyat ng market. From the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In just 8 days, the market grew 11.05%. That's massive growth. Sobrang laki po ng growth na yan sa 2 linggo po ng trading sa Philippine Stock Exchange. So, I'm expecting pullbacks. I could be wrong since maganda naman yung rally. Ganda pa rin naman yung volume. So, pwede rin itong umakyat. But nonetheless, I told you before, noon dito pa lang, sabi ko sa inyo, this is the right time to buy sa Philippine Stock Exchange. So, hopefully, nakapasok na kayo noon pa, di ba? Noon pa sana. Anyways, let me just play our music right here. Ayan. Let's go to the comments. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Jeric Lamasnero, good evening po. Sir Lloyd, good evening po sa inyo. Ishi Marimat, good evening nga pala. Paki-share po itong video na ito. Please share this video to your friends, to your Facebook walls, to your trading groups if you have any, para mas marami pa tayong newbies ang magabayan at matulungan. Diba? Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for liking. Generdiano, yan, lumabas yung pangalan mo. Thank you for sharing, man. Medyo putol lang yung I don't know why. Naputol yung pangalan ni Janer. Alright, Ishi, Guitar God, Jemel, good evening. Paulo David, good evening, Sir Lloyd, good evening din. Janer Diana, good evening, sir. Ask lang, what do you think of PHA Tech and sa fundamental analysis? Tech, actually, technical and fundamental analysis ni Tech, at the very least, it's not a bad company. It's earning at the very least. Pero, medyo, ang problema ko kay Tech is, sobrang dami nating, what do you call this? Sobrang daming kompetensya ba? Diba? Especially si China sa production ni Tech. Medyo may kamahalan pa rin tayo. So, I'm not really fond of the growth factor of Tech. It can get projects, that's good. pero yung growth factor niya in the future, mahirap. Kasi ang kalaban, tech, yung mga products nila, you should know by now, ano yung mga products ni tech, di ba? Yung mga microchips, etc. For the fact that production sa Pilipinas is not the cheapest. So, meron pong kompetensya si tech, India, China, na the very least, di ba? Fundamentally speaking, I'm not really fond of the growth factor of the asset. Pero as a company, it's running well so far. So, I can't say it's good for long term. PHA naman, so far so good. Maganda naman yung pinapakita niyang mga projects na coming. But for long term, it still has to prove a lot for me to recommend it for long term. Chard Fernandez, good evening sir. Good evening po. Ruel Dio Careza, good evening sir. Good evening din. Guitar God, sir, tama po ba si Meg? Wait for more pullback before getting in. Let's check out Meg. Mega World, let's check out the screen. Yeah. Hindi pa pullback yan. That's the reason why I told you wag niyong pasukin because it is poised to do a pullback. So I need more pullback for Meg. Actually, tingnan natin short-term na fib retracement niya. This is the lowest it has reached. Siguro sa mga dito, ng presyo to. Hindi lumalabas yung presyo sa gilid. Bakit? Well, I don't know what's wrong with my chart. Anyways. Most probably, dito, 3.12, that will be a good entry at the 0.5 na bounce niya. That will be a healthy entry for you before you want to get in Meg. So good, and that's a very good observation. Guitar God. Angelo Andrew Rosario, sir, pa-view naman po si Mac. Salamat. Let's check out Macro Asia. Sobrang lakas ng rally. I wanted to medyo mataas na yung pin niya. I wanted to pull back before and bounce before you wanna get in, before kayo pumasok kay Mac. Benedict, may gabi, Sir Idol. Good evening po. Good evening, sir, from Jin Katsuro. Good evening po. Sakura Nai. Good evening, sir. Lord God bless you too. Angelina Montero. Good evening, sir. Magandang gabi. Romelyn Bonayos. Good evening. Ishi Maremat, CHP. Let's check out CHP. Gumaganda rin naman yung position ni CHP. Alright, good rally for CHP right now. Kaka-breakout niya lang. Alright, that's good for CHP. I want CHP to at least pull back. Confirm that support right there. Since mataas na yung akyat niya today. Let me go to watcher. 3.91% yung gain niya. Actually, okay pa siya. Right? May volume naman yung breakout niya. So, that's a good breakout right there. I would say, just get in there. Maganda yung presyo ng CHP. Right? Arms, Noria. Good evening. Romelyn Bonaya, sir, like, pa-check the Shell PH. SHLPH. Pilipinas Shell Petroleum. Let me load my chart layout. Ayan. Shell PH. Meron siyang massive support at this area. At the very least. Short-term trade, this is your support, man. Pero, konting ingat. This is a descending triangle. Pag nag-breakout yan, yeah, at the very least, breakout entry from that descending triangle. Right? Kung gusto nyo pumasok kay Shell PH. SKWS po, Sir Lloyd. Thank you. This is from Marian Barranco. International market naman tayo. Sorry. SKWS. Tingnan natin dito. Anong stock si SKWS? It's not really pulling up. Oh nga pala, Itoro guys. Congratulations sa mga nagka-copy trade sa akin. We are now on the green side. We are already earning. There we go. So, nakapag-recover po tayo. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. If ever my port goes negative, that's the best time to copy it. Right? So, we are already in the profit side for the past how many days. Tingnan natin dashboard ko. Yung mga latest na kumokopya sa akin for sure are already gaining since ang baba ng port ko inabot. Look at that. Yung mga nung kumopya sa akin May 11, April 24, they're already up right there. 7.8% pa. Meron pa tayong iba ng mga negative, medyo late na sila medyo maaga sila pumasok. But those who copied me when I'm red is already up, right? And international market is looking better. So, congratulations, right? So, kung mga gustong kumopya sa akin, you can check out copy trading. Pwede pa kayong kumopya sa akin through copy trading. But, yan, isa po sa mga pinupush ko ngayon is the bot trading. Basically, yung trading system ka pa rin, parang kinopyan nyo rin po through bot trading. Mas malaki naman ang kitaan doon kumpara sa copy trading lang. Copy trading is more for, at the very least, kumpara sa ilagay nyo sa bangko or sa ibang mga investments na nagte 10% annually, copy trading is a good diversification tool. Ngayon, mas malaki po ang kitaan sa Forex. So, ngayon, yung trading system namin, linagay namin sa Forex. We tested it out for how many, nag-backtesting kami. For how many months now we've been testing the trading system. It's been doing well through the bot. Actually, marami nang kumikita ngayon. Marami nang kumuha sa bot. Nag-free kami ng 50, di ba, sa bot. Meron tayong konting slots pa lang available. But yeah, yung sa Forex naman, mas malaki kaysa sa copy trading. So, if you wanna diversify into that, check out bot trading po. Meron po akong video niyan about bot trading. If ever you wanna register, since limited lang yung slots, go to the video description. Meron pong link dyan to register. It will lead you to a Google Docs form. Fill up the form and follow the instructions. Yan, medyo complicated siya sa simula, but once you get through it, yan, it's gonna be very fruitful for you. So please go through the process lang muna. Alright? Since ka-create ka na yun ng account sa XM, and then we are gonna be sending you through an onboarding process para maintindihan nyo po yung bot before we install your bot. Right? So, alam nyo yung proseso. Yeah, right now is the best time to enter the bot. Bakit? Because may promotion si XM. Double your investment. Yung kaibigan ko, $1,000 linigay niya, $800 na nabili sa kaya. I don't know why. Pero dapat up to 500 lang yun di ba? So if you put in $500, you get another $500 available. So you can avail of the $1,000 capability of the bot. Right? So if you're just starting, ang pinakamalit po is $500. If nahihirapan kayo sa $500, with the promo right now, you can start with $250 lang muna. Since meron tayong double your investment, you can already start with the $500. Since the doblahin na XM yun. And instant yun, pag nag-fund kayo, diretso, papasok rin yung promo. Right? So, right now is the best time to start with the bot. If ever gusto nyo matesting siya, right now is the best time to test it since you can start small. You can start with just $250. Since may double the investment, you already have $500 you can use for the trading. Why not? Di ba? Yung promo niya, hindi nyo makukuha yung amount, hindi nyo pwede withdrawin. Pero yung gains nun, since dito trade na yon, makukuha ninyo. Di ba? So, test it out. Check out the link in the video description para pa sa bot trading should you want to join. Okay, ganda ng bot trading. This is from Jenner Diano. Ganda ng bot trading, sir. Ang ganda ng pasok ni bot sa trades. Yes, definitely. Thank you so much, Jenner Diano. You tested it out. I'll get in touch with you guys. So yung mga nasa bot na natin, I'm gonna be asking for your results. If it's okay with you guys, because I really want to invite more people to join the bot. Ito kasi, this is an idea of ours na at least makatulong sa mga tao, di ba? We can share our trading strategy as much as possible for free. At least yung VPS na babayaran nyo. It's a win-win solution for all of us, right? So, if ever you wanna diversify, please start with the bot. Jenner, congratulations. Yes po, may cocomelon sa likod. Sa na nanonood yung bata ko sa likod Alright, sir, by the way, have you checked out GoTrade app? Actually, inopen ko na siya, pero may hindi ako makagawa talaga ng account kasi may through invitations lang siya. Subukan ko, nakita ko si Marvin Germo nagsisimula na doon. Sige, gawa ako ng account using his Actually, I contacted GoTrade about it. Hindi pa naman sila nagre-reply, so hindi ako makakagawa talaga ng account. I'll just use my friend's invitation link na lang just to create an account. Thank you so much for thank you so much, Jenner, for what do you call this? Letting me know again. Taka lang What is wrong with my camera? Bakit nagkakaganyan? Naka-on yung chroma key ko. Sorry about that. Right. Asa na ako? Guitar God, thanks sir, you're welcome po. Hi sir, pakitingin po si BHI and MAH. This is from Selazor Aziz. Giza Rosales. Ayan. Nako. Binabaliktad yung pangalan yung hirap tuloy basahin. Alam ko mga may ginaganyan, may sinaktan noon. Para hindi na sila mahanap ng mga ex nila. Kaya binabaliktad yung pangalan nila. Hindi na sila ma-stalk. BHI, it's already too high for me. Alright, it's still, yes, it's showing bullish signals, but nonetheless, it's not my kind of trading. Showing my screen right now. Andyan po yung major resistance niya. Yes, nagpo-pullback siya. There is a trend line right here. You can follow that should you want to, but man, napakaliit na lang po ng upside ninyo. May resistance na malakas dyan, and I don't like the position at all right now. Right? Medyo tagilid na yung position for me. I don't want to recommend BHI anymore. Naghahabol kayo dyan dahil mataas na. You're being greedy. That's a very greedy trading strategy. So if you don't know how to trade that yet, wag po. MAH kahapon, I called this out yesterday, di ba? If there is one stock na I will recommend na buy nyo na to, MAH. Pinasok nyo ba kanina? Right? 5.31% if you entered MAH. Right? Ito ba yun? Kahapon, di ba? Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon. If there's one stock that I will recommend for you guys na bilhin kahapon, it's MAH. MAH already up 5% today. So hopefully nakasakay kayo. Alright? Joe Castillo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Asking for your opinion. Which one is better, SEB, CP, or SEB? SEB, CP, or SEB? Convertible preferred shares. Hindi ako nagtatrade ka ng preferred shares eh. But yeah. Actually, si SEB, I like it better. Overall, nasa mababa siya. Which one is better to trade? I haven't given it a thought just yet. Actually, gandang tanong yan. I'll ask my friend, si Loverboy Arnel, about this one. I'll let you know, guys. Speaking of Arnel, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba naghahanap kayo ng update kahapon about crypto 101 natin? Yan, cryptocurrency 102 is now out. How to choose high potential coins and tokens. This is gonna be on June 6, 2021, Sunday 7 p.m. Check out our pinned post dito sa StockSet. Right? Check it out. Crypto 102 is gonna be coming out. Check it out. Right? So all you need to do to join this is create a Binance account using this link. Right? After creating a Binance account, answer this form para maka-join kayo. Alright? So, cryptocurrency, yung partner namin ngayon na has been focusing in crypto for how many years already, he's gonna be joining you guys para po sa Crypto Talk natin, 102. It's a much more advanced webinar about cryptocurrency. This is looking for technical analysis. This is looking for coins also. Alright. Check it out. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Paki-check naman po PNB. PNB. Okay, nagpo-pullback si PNB, okay? Actually, nag-breakout yan galing. So, this is the resistance right here. Pag nag-green to bukas, join up. Kung problema ko, walang volume yung breakout niya. So, baka mag-pullback pa to. Bukas, pag nagka-volume, you can get the green. Pero I think magpo-pullback pa to. Support is right here. If it drops to the support, then that's gonna be our entry point. Okay? Good evening, Rafi Onipa. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-shout out. Shout out to you, man. Rafi Onipa, good evening po. Right, Laura Napa. Gandang gabi, Sir Lloyd. CPG po. Ay, dalawa yun kanina. Si PNB. Pababa pa ba siya as per tech analysis po? I think bababa pa siya. Ayan. Good evening po, Sir. Your thoughts on Frutas and LR. Frutas, umakyat na kanina. Sabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-breakout si Frutas, pasukin nyo na. And there it is, nag-breakout siya kanina. I would say yeah. That's already a buy, man. Breakout strategy for Frutas. Kahapon ba yan? Sabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-breakout yan, pasukin nyo. LR. Checking out LR. Oh, ganda ng volume ni LR. Ooh. Pasukin nyo to bukas, guys. Mukhang magra-rally na to. Nag-breakout siya. Previous resistance is right here. Breakout already. That's already a buy for me. Pasukin niyo po si LR. 5.77% pa lang naman. Pero we have a support right here. Yeah. It's breakout strategy for LR. Good find. Laura, Napa. Gandang gabi, Sir Lloyd. CPG po. Let's check out CPG. Hey, CPG. Mukhang parali na. It's either the support entry right here or if you cannot enter there, let it break out. Pag nag-breakout yan, sa kanyo pasukin. CPG, good company right here. Chard Fernandez, sir, kung magbigay ka ng top 5 stock for long term, ano po yun, sir? Si Dito, number 1 ko ngayon. BDO, number 2. Number 3 ko is gonna be Ali. Number 4, since mababa pa naman sila ngayon, yeah. Si number 4, tignan ko si JFC. Si JFC yung ano ko, pero may ano si JFC kahapon eh. May news kahapon si JFC eh. But yeah, JFC is also one of the stocks that I follow for long term, especially nung bumaba siya nung 100. Umabot pa nga ng 85. Sobrang ganda nito, nung 85. Right? Bought more of my Jollibee. Pero Jollibee is one of them. Sino pa ba? Yun lang muna. Yun na lang yung assets na hinawakan ko. Right, so Skyworks po. This is from Marian. Si kanina, yun pala, Skyworks. Right. Is Skyworks available here? Skyworks. Yan. SWKS pala. Skyworks Solutions. Not really following this company, so I don't know the company fundamentally. So please do your part. Pero technical analysis niya is doing well, right? We have a trend line right here. You can follow that trend line. Mabagal naman yung akyat niya. So just follow the trend line for your entries. Top 3 po na short term lang. This is from Azij. Top 3 na short term lang. Actually, ayun, kahapon, hindi ako nakapag-research na. Kahapon, yung nakita natin si Ma. Recommended Ma yesterday for short-term trades. It's already up today. Si M-Wide been recommending this dito pa for short-term. Yan, umakyat na naman si M-Wide ngayon. So, hopefully nakapasok kayo. Let it pull back and bounce na lang sa M-Wide. Tingnan ko ngayon if may mahanap ako for short-term that I'm very confident with. Jojo, good evening, Mr. Lloyd, watching from Singapore and shared your video. Thanks so much, Jojo. Thank you so much. Oops, tara. Sorry. Sorry about that. Rodem ko, kumelo na. Ganda ng bot trading, sir. Sabi ni Jenner Dianyo, ang ganda ng pasok ng bot sa trades. Yes. Mas mechanical yung bot sa trades namin since we already set the parameters. Mas maganda yung pasok niya. Mas maganda pa yung pasok niya kaysa sa ako mag-trade mismo actually. Kasi yung execution niya, walang emotions involved. So, sobrang ganda talaga ng mga pasok niya. Mas maganda pa yan, Janer, ang bot if ever himasin mo. Kasi yung bot natin, we set a certain amount para sa auto take profits niya. Minsan hindi natatamaan yon. So, if ever you're already profiting from the position, pag pumula yan, sell it para mas malaki yung kita nyo. Right? One of my friends who's in the bot na hinihimas niya yung bot kasi ang ganda ng entries. Ang problema talaga is the exit. Since exit namin, ang exit is kasi ang sell kasi talaga sa trading is ikaw mismo, intuition. Diba? Nakikita mo pag may weakness na binibenta. Si bot kasi, hindi namin malagay yan. So, if may rally pa, pwede pa siya umakyat. Or if bumaba, hindi madetect yung bot kasi yan. So, kaya lang gawin ng bot is really set target profits by himself. 8.8. 8 pips. Minsan, binibenta niya, tapos umakyat pa. So, so may ganun naman na mga positions. But yeah, but definitely, himasin mo. Kahit na hindi pa na-hit yung target profits niya, if nakita mo there's already weakness in the momentum, sell the position, mas malaking kitkain nyo. Yung kaibigan ko, 100% in 1 week because of that. Sakura Knight, tanong lang po sa eToro, need po ba ng dollar account pag mag-fund sa eToro? Nope, you don't need a dollar account. Sa ngayon na po, nakaka-copy trade ako virtually. Kayo po, kinakopy ko, up na siya na 6%. Yung port ko, gusto ko po mag-fund na para sa real port. From Sakura Knight, you don't need to put, what do you call this? You don't need a dollar account. Right? Mas maganda if may dollar account ka, but Philippine account is good. I use my Metrobank. Yung debit card ng Metrobank, pinafundan ko lang yan, tapos yun yung pinagagamit ko pang deposit. Automatically convert naman kasi ng banko yan. Nika Nix, good evening sir. Lode po sir. And dito, let's check out Lode. Kaysa yung bot, sayang, please, I strongly recommend you test it out. Habang may promo ngayon. Right? So you can start with 250 should you wanna try it small time lang muna. Right, try it with the 250 kasi i-double yung investment nyo, maging 500 yan. You can already start with the bot. Huwag nyo miss yung opportunity. Right, Lode, kung okay na. This is a buy. Yan. Short term, you were asking me for mga short term na mga ma-recommend ko. I'm gonna be recommending Lode. Support is right there. Actually, first support's right there. Secondary support's right here. Accumulate this for short term. Lodestar, right? Maganda yung technical analysis niya. RSI, look at that beautiful RSI. Starting to go up already. Right? Even on this lowering part. Lode is looking good. Good find, Nika Nix, getting better in your trade. Si Dito naman, Dito, pasukin nyo na kasi yan. For long term, definitely, you don't really care for the position. Pero if you wanna look for short term trade, meron tayo resistance dito, let it break out. Kung gusto nyo pasukin si Dito for short term. Good evening, sir. BSC and TBGI. This is from Kim Nathaniel Clever? Yeah, Clever. Good evening, BSC. BSC, ganda rin. That's a buy for me. TBGI. Katlos ha, katlos. Huwag nyo kalimutan. Trading tong pinag-uusapan natin. TBGI. Ayay. Dito yung maganda entry niya. Nagrarally na si TBGI and there's momentum in it already. Okay na to. Pwede pa itong pasukin sa TBGI. Daming project ni TBGI dahil kay dito. BSC, we covered this already. This is for the Korean woman with the woman with the Korean name. Hindi ko mabasa. Laura Napa, BSC po yon sir. Right. Tech sir, we covered tech already. This is from Nancy Catilo. Tech. Yan. That's our uptrend line. That's the best entry point for tech. Nag-bounce na siya the other day, ay kahapon, and tuloy-tuloy na siya. Best entry is there talaga. But as long as you can get in na the uptrend line, actually, kung gusto nyo ng confirmation, yun yung confirmation. That's still a buy for me. Tech, that's good. Rowena, good evening, sir. Uptrend line to so that is your support. Cut loss below that. So please be responsible with your trades. Rowena Villa, good evening. Joe Castillo, thank you sir, you're welcome. Good evening sir Lloyd. Sir, okay po ba mag-buy kay Tesla ngayon? TSLA. Tingnan ko nga yung technical analysis ni Tesla. May Tesla ako Nagpo-pullback pa si Tesla. The next bounce ni Tesla is gonna be good. Okay? Downtrend ni Tesla is right there. Already broke out from its downtrend. So that's reversal signal. Definitely. Next green ni Tesla, sa kanyo ba sa bilhin? Wag muna ngayon. MM po sir, this is from Kier. Right, Mary Mart. Ooh, looking good. Pasukin nyo na to guys. Right, after the rally, nag-pull back and this is the bounce already. Pwede nyo na pasukin yan actually. Ruel Dio Careza. Teka lang nandito. Sir, good PM, si AP po, since kakagaling niya lang sa kanyang dip sa support area po. Actually, ang ganda na ng position ni AP Pwede na yun accumulate actually. Right? This was the major support for AP. Nag-bounce na siya. It's looking well already. It's creating a resistance right here. Pag nag-break out from this flag pattern, that's a good from this ascending triangle pattern, that's a good entry right there. So antayin nyo mag-break out sa AP. Insights po kay dito. We already went through dito. So okay na yun. Ruel Gonzalez, how about ASIN, sir? Thank you. Let's check out ASIN. Ganda na ASIN. Problema ko kay ASIN, nasa taas si ASIN eh. Kaya hindi ko siya ma-recommend already for long term. Because this is already very expensive, man. Look at that growth already. Sobrang mahal na sa ASIN para for me. So that's why I can't recommend it for long term anymore. Kung sinabi niyo sa akin sa ASIN nasa baba ngayon, yeah, it will be good for long term. Since if for long term naman kasi, we're looking at, sorry about that, wrong buttons. For long term, let's say for example, dito, that's already 400% price, man, from its original price. 284 pa nga tayo. Sobrang laki na ng ups, sobrang taas na nito. Right, and we're hitting resistance after resistance after resistance. Ang daming resistance. Short-term trading lang to, pwede. Right, since maganda naman yung company, there's a high chance that it will go up. Wait for the pullback and bounce before you wanna get in ASIN. Okay? DMC. BSC din po, nireko nyo last night, ICC. BSC pala yung nireko ko last night. Yeah, this is already a buy for me. Right? Ganda na ng position ni BSC. That's a buy, man. That's a buy. And for short term, yan, BSC. Laura, DMC po. DMC. Sorry, iba na napipindot ko. Taas na ng DMC, guys. Wait for it to really pull back before you wanna get in muna. Right? You can use Fibonacci for this kung mag-pull back to para malaman nyo saan siya pupulutin. Right? So, DMC, antay lang muna ng pullback. AAPL from Paulo David. Insights kay Erit. So, masyado mahal na si Erit. Let it drop lang muna before you wanna get in for Erit. AAP. Hindi, Apple. Apple is a buy. Nasa support areas tayo kay Apple. Right there. Okay? Nag-confirm na naman ng support si Apple and that's a higher bounce right there compared to the previous bounces. That's definitely a buy. I would say this is the right time to buy Apple. Sa mga nasa international market. Giancarlo. Excuse me. Sa lalamunan. Asan na yan? More power, Lloyd. Much thanks. Thank you. Leo Rania. Insights for AREIT, sir. AREIT. Let's check out the chart for AREIT. Masyado mataas na si AREIT, man. It's already losing momentum. Nakita nyo, naglalaro na siya sa loob na ng Bollinger Band. So, that's momentum done for AREIT. I will not recommend AREIT anymore. Recommended AREIT nung nagsimula pa lang si AREIT. Sabi ko sa inyo, nagsastabilize na siya noon. That was a good entry for AREIT. Sobrang laki na ng... Sobrang mahal na ni AREIT. It's not worth it sa dividend rates niya anymore. So, I don't want to recommend it anymore. Pwede po DDMPR. This is from Nika Nix. Yes po, the DDMPR. Right now is the best time to buy DDMPR actually. Though, yan, support siya. It's 1.92. Right, what you are gonna be getting at this price is 4% annual returns. Right, so that's very good. If ever bumaba pa ito, after you buy, you just buy more. Kasi, worth it na siya. Right, worth it na siya sa makukuha ninyong dividends. 4% annual is already very good. Fernando Royo, MPI at Meg, sir. MPI. Right. MPI may resistance. So, abangan lang muna natin dyan. Ang ganda sana ng support ni MPI. Oh. Nakita nyo yun? Tsaka breakout. Those are the best entries. Breakouts lang muna for MPI. Should you wanna get in MPI. Mega World. Oh, taas na. Si Meg rin, pinaano ko na to sa inyo dati pa eh. Pinaipon ko na sa inyo. Kailangan ko ng gum guys kasi masakit yung lalamunan ko. Mega World is doing a pullback right now. Next bounce po ni Mega World. Should you wanna get in? Mukhang magra-rally naman siya. Okay? ASIN and APL. Tapos na tayo kay ASIN. APL, supports, bounce, enter it. Maganda yung position ng APL. Short term lang ha. Riot, and MBT. Dito pa yun si Riot noon eh. Sabi natin okay na to testingin eh. Next green ni Riot, that's already okay. Mukhang okay na naman. Mukhang tapos na naman yung downturn niya. Okay? Maangat na si Riot. MBT, we covered MBT already. Review lang natin. Hindi pa. MBT. Taas ng position ni MBT, my friends. Ito resistance dyan. This is challenging. At the very least, tingnan nyo po ito. This is a pattern right here. Pwede nyo pong i-breakout trade ito. Good evening, Sir Lloyd Green. Mahirap kasi ito pag ganito, pag nakalipad na eh. Hirap na yung technical analysis nito. Right? Dati sa MBT, we're looking at MBT dito. Sabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-breakout sa MBT, pasukin nyo. Those are the best entries. Ngayon, medyo nakalipad na siya. It's gonna be very hard already. Right? Since nakalipad na sa MBT. Good evening, Sir. Green po. Let's check out green. Massive support at this area. Pumupula siya ngayon. Next green. Ni green. Green na yan. Go signal. Next green ni green signal na. Alright, Sir Lloyd Vita po. This is from Gilvin Raffles Vita. That's a buy, my friend. Okay na to. Right, Vita is already a buy. Okay na to. Bilhin nyo na yun si Vita. Dave Viola, Converge po. Let's check out Converge. Ang problema ko kay Converge, nasa taas na si Converge. Right? Nagre-resistance na siya dyan. Major resistance are right here. I don't want to recommend Converge anymore. FGen naman. FGen, looking well. Yun nga eh. Medyo mahal na kasi si FGen. Massive resistances for FGen right there. It's been testing that resistance for quite a while already. So, yun yung problema ko kay FGen. Masyado mataas na. Okay? I don't want to recommend it. Should you want to trade it, at least mag-breakout para careful, meron tayong isa pa resistance dito for FGen. Plug bought it at 19.78. Should I sell sa trend line, breakdown, or just hold po? This is from Zerzis Plug. Masyadong maaga pa to, man. Actually, it's at resistance already. You bought it at 19. That's a good buy right there. Galing, huh? That's a good entry right there for your plug entry. Actually, time to sell some already. Ang problema ko nito, hindi natin alam kung magbe-breakout to or is it gonna go back down, diba? At the very least, sell half of your position. Because it's testing the resistance. Tatlong pula na yan. So that's weakness for you. Sell some of it so that if ever mag-breakout man, hindi ka magsisi. If it pulls back, then you have the option to buy more since ang lakas ng support naman dyan for plug. Or, at the very least, kung mag-break even ka sa kabila, overall, that's still a winning trade for you. Okay? Ramon Cruz, you're welcome. Angelica Carion. Alright. Si Fruit naman, let's check out Frutas. Yeah, Frutas kahapon, sabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-breakout yan today, that's already a buy. I would say, buy some Frutas now. Alexis Duper, good evening po. AP Pullback, thanks po ulit. AP is a buy on the support. Short-term trade tayo kay AP. Ay, hindi. AP pala to. APL pala yun. AP, breakout. Pag nag-break it out yan sa triangle pattern na ito, that's gonna be your entry point. Sobrang mura po ni AP. We're at pandemic levels for AP already. That's a buy for me. Definitely. Nagmandong. Nice, sir. You're welcome. Alright, so that's it for sa mga nanonood natin sa Facebook. Punta tayo sa YouTube. Alright, Lawrence Abad, good evening, idol. Good evening. Josie, good evening, sir. Pa-shoutout po. This is from Jalcy and good evening. Abigail Acar, good evening for Sir Lord. Maraming natututunan. Any news po ba kay AR? Thank you, sir. May news ba kay AR? Ito gawin nyo Punta kayo sa Instagrams. Hanapin nyo yung stock nyo. Click this right here, news. Makikita nyo po dito kung may news. Directors 3 days ago. Change in directors 3 days ago. Wala namang news. But it's on a rally, ha? Next green nito. Subukan nyo. Mukhang maganda naman yung galaw ni Abra Mining. Pag na-green to, trade it. That's gonna be your support. Who knows? There's volume in it, man. Jeric Lamasnero, good evening. Pa-check naman po si CDC. Salamat, CDC. Ay. Okay. Problema ko yung CDC, ang liit ng volume kasi nito ngayon. Right? But anyways, mamaya pa naman talaga mag-pick up yung volume na yan. Stock dividends niya, 5%. Tax date, July 19. This is a lot, ha? Actually, yeah. Get the stock dividends, man. Pero expect na magda-drop yan. Pag lumabas na. Pero ang ganda ng position, na. Wealth Gainer, good evening. Xerxes, bot plug. Yan, nabasa natin to. I can't say if it's good to hold months and years. Ang masasabi ko lang is, as long as the trend holds, you don't have to hold it for a year if ever nag-downtrend na. Bakit mo pa hawakan, di ba? So, as long as the trend holds. Brian Balyo, Sir Lloyd, Vulcan, VUL. Ganda ng hanap mo ba? Vulcan. Right, support's right there. Nipis ng volume. Abangan nyo to, man. It's looking well, pero RSI hindi gumagalaw eh. Actually, okay siya. Trade this one, man. Use the support for your trade. Meron tayong short-term support dito. It's been respecting that support. So yeah, testing nyo po ito. Okay to. Maganda to i-trade. Especially right now, maganda naman yung market. Spartan ZB. Axelum, please, your insights. Your insights. Nabisaya tuloy ako. Axelum, this is an ascending triangle pattern right here. Buy when it breaks up. Dito nyo bilhin. BDO from Venus Osima. Let's check out BDO. Suspended po ang AR. I didn't know about that. Hindi ko alam bakit suspended ang AR. I haven't been following local news. Actually, to tell you the truth, guys, I've been looking more into the Forex since ang ganda ng galaw ng bot. Doon kami sa Forex sa katutok ngayon. And also in the international market. Mas nakatutok ako sa international market. Dito sa PSEi, ang tinututukan ko is yung mga assets na yung mga gusto ko talaga na lang. Because I still am invested in the Philippine Stock Exchange, pero a few na lang since mas maganda yung opportunity sa outside Philippine market. BDO resistance right here, breakout should you want to get in BDO. Josh Onyok, Pablo Sir Lloyd, Meg po, thank you very much. We covered Meg already earlier. Pasukin nyo na to si Meg, okay pa yan. Overall, napakaganda pa rin yung presyo niya. Learning Trader, RRHI and RLC. RRHI naman, medyo nakalipad na to eh. Ay hindi pala to. Ba yun? This is a reverse head and shoulder pattern. That's a reversal pattern, man. That's a buy. Definitely. That's a buy. RLC. Ganda na. Nagpo-pullback siya ngayon Next bounce for RLC. Saka nyo pasukin for RLC. Refasola. T. Doremi. FNI. Doremi Fasola T. Doon to eh. FNI, ang problema ko FNI, it's overall, this area is already very high up there. Should you wanna trade this, eto, trade number 1, trade number 2, breakouts. Ang dami natin resistance na hanapin. Pero mukhang maganda naman yung galaw niya kanina. So baka mag-breakout to bukas, that's gonna be a buy for you. Okay? Pero short-term trades lang ito, please. Be careful with this. High risk na ito. So strictly for trading short-term. That's for FNI. Helen Grace PH, good evening. What can you say about Globe? Yung Globe na position, medyo tagilid. Right? Actually, I am shaky with Globe and PLDT right now. Why? Because of dito. Ang laki ng makukuha. Ang laki ng market share na makukuha din dito kay Globe at Telecom at kay PLDT. Why? Dito's performing well. First impressions kay dito, sobrang ganda. So, maraming makukuha ang laki mawawala nila Globe tsaka PLDT. So, I cannot really say about Globe right now. I'm not bullish with Globe. They have no news really to pull me to their side para maging bullish ako sa kanila. So, I kind of don't really like Globe and Tel right now sa mga long-term na stocks, sa mga blue chips. Thank you, sir. This is from Learning Trader Helen Grace, SPC po. Good evening, USD CAD po, sir. Alright, nagpo-forex na tayo. Alright, SPC Power. Masyadong taas po yan. Let it drop muna. This is I don't like it because not sa overbought levels tayo. Not my kind of trading. But there's momentum there. Previous resistance here. So look at that area for your support should you want to get in. Okay? Si USD CAD naman kasi, if you're into Forex, we look at the daily. Sideways yung daily niya. But we look at the 4-hour chart. Tingnan natin anong ginagawa niya for our chart. Most probably, it's on a sideways pattern. So pag ganito po, ang trades natin dito is just support buys. And then we sell at these areas right here. So pag nagsusupport yan, pasukin nyo. Sideways trade tayo on the 4-hour chart. Okay? So, range trade lang. And then Helen, lastly si SEC. Time check, it's 8:50 already. Babalik lang tayo sa Facebook after nito. Let it pull back and bounce for SCC. Good find right here. Sobrang lakas na. Let it pull back. That's all. Ay, naka 4-hour chart pala ako. Right. Ganun din. Let it pull back, then let it bounce before you wanna get in semi-rara. Okay? You're welcome. Let me go back to Facebook natin. Right. Ann Partida, thanks Sir Lloyd for sharing. You're welcome. Sir, may best ARPO ba magbili ng stock, sir, or day? Actually, after the first 30 minutes of the market open, after mag-stabilize nung initial volume niya, I already trade there. Iba kasi ang advantage ng nagtitrade ka sa simula ng market. Iba, meron din siya disadvantage. Meron din advantage na pa-close ng market, dun ka magtitrade. Kasi, when the market opens, ako kasi is I'm buy and then just alarm if ever mahit yung stop loss ko na kind of trader. So once I already see a buy signal, I won't really care about my position. Bibilin ko na yan since I'm a position trader, usually nasa baba ko yan binibili. Hindi gaanong tight yung stop loss ko since low risk yung mga trades. Magta-tight stop loss lang ako if ever mataas na yung pwesto, di ba? So since I'm a position trader, nakita niyo naman karamihan ng trades ko nasa baba. Hindi ako ganun stricto. So I just buy it right away after ng market hours 30 minutes after the market open, saka ako binibili. And then I leave it out. When are you going to sell on Naked, sir? Thank you. Yung Naked ko, when am I gonna sell? I'm up 23% already kay Naked. Actually, wala pa akong plano ibenta talaga si Naked eh. We're already up 23% kay Naked. Ganda pa ng rally eh. Right? I still want this to rally more. Ayoko muna ibenta ito. So, there's a trend happening already. I want the trend to really start. Siguro, if ever malaki nila kayo na yung income ko kay Naked, I'm gonna be selling half. All of it, I'm gonna be selling if ever ma-stop niyo yung trend. So, but yeah, this is the kind of trading that I really like. This is the reason why, okay, maganda yung takbo ng trades ko. I'm a position trader. I usually wait for the stocks to really drop, and then that's where I get in. We're already up kay Naked by a lot because of this. Right? Sorry. So, yeah. As long as the trend is holding, hindi ko muna ibebenta siya. Okay? Anyways, ayun, last lang. Meron naghabol about web. Si Givelin Raffles. Let's check it out. Uy, ang ganda rin ni web ha. Supports right here for web. That's a buy right there. I would say yes, buy web. Good find. Galing. Alright. Stockside.com po. Nakita nyo naman po, meron tayong mga courses para sa inyo. It's for free. And check it out, stockside.com. Magandang base po yan if nagsisimula pa kayo. If you just watch me today, go to stockside.com. Meron tayong mga free courses sa inyo dyan. Should you wanna go for our advanced courses, use this code right here, LBazaar, para may discount po kayo. Okay? Bot trading. If you wanna diversify into that, today is the best. This month is the best time to start since may ×2 initial deposit po na promo si XM. So, the bot is 500 po dapat ang iti-trade ninyo. If you want to start small, you can start with 250 since i-double yan. You can already start with the bot. So, very good position for you guys. Sumulan nyo ngayon na maaga pa. Para kung magustuhan nyo after 2 weeks, siguro kung magustuhan nyo yung takbo ng trade ni bot, then you can still add more. Since may promo pa tayo, magdagdag pa kayo ng 500 siguro in the future, dodoblehin pa rin yan. At least matesting nyo na ngayon. Alright? Punta kayo sa video description for, since marami pa po tayong, may slots pa po tayong available. Andyan po yung link na registration sa bot trading. Okay? Should you wanna donate to me, alright, kung gusto nyo po akong tulungan, hindi naman para ma-continue to program ito kasi kahit wala tayong kinakita dito, Daily Grind is my public service already. But yeah, I have causes. Meron akong mga kabataan na tinutulungan niyo yun. Should you wanna help me with my causes, go to patreon.com/lbazaar. If magbibigay po kayo dyan ng amount na medyo malaki-laki, I'm gonna give you something back in return. Right? I'm gonna give you access to my trading masterclass video. Recorded po ito na video of my trading masterclass where I teach everything I do sa trading, from preparation, technical analysis, looking for companies, execution on trades, how I buy, how I test buy, what are my parameters in selling, how do I sell, etc. Lahat po that I do in my trading andun po sa video na yan. Should you wanna learn, dyan po. Right? So, check it out. Patreon.com/lbazaar. That's gonna be it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. As always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Good night. Enjoy the rest of the evening.